Good morning. Boom, 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 boom. Just pumping. Oh, man. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Boom, 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 boom. All right. See if it comes back down at 206 for a retest. Also, $9.30. All of this stuff started. Okay. 10 stays there. All right. I'm looking for 207 retest. And we'll go from there. Boom. Give me this. Let's make the move. Oh, I just cracked my ankle. Jeez. They're not going to give me the pullback. Just want a little pullback, a little something, something. I mean, if they don't give me a pullback, I might take a short somewhere. Want to see some weakness around 250. Probably be a good spot. Oh, I have a live account. I didn't even realize that. Let me do and break out my old. I have a live account with Ant Futures. Let me open that up and sync that up so I can trade some real money. By the way, if any of you guys have been following my options channel, straight banger today. spoke about this on the stream on Friday, how I was loading up on HIMS. Yeah, talked about it on Friday, and we smashed. We smashed. 3, 2. Man, this grind is like, let's, I mean, down to 220 will might be a decent little pullback if we don't get where we're looking for. This thing's not stopping. I bet you they bring it really far back. Yo, what up, Andy? What up, Ace? What up? What up? I'm trying to set up my AMP Futures live account. I got to sync it with I don't know I don't know how to do it. Do you guys have AMP Futures by any chance? Oh wow. I figured out how to do it. So I need to set up a Rhythmic account. I got to look into this. They use MetaTrader. Yeah, I don't have am I going to trade personal money? Yeah, I've been, before I even got into prop firms, I started trading personal money. I'm feeling good. We smashed today. If you follow my other channel, we smashed. So I'm feeling pretty good about myself today. I added money on Friday, and I'm just trying to look. I think they want me to pay for data, though. I don't know what the deal is. I gotta, like, now I'm gonna have to really ask them what the deal is. I don't want to download MetaTrader. I already have NinjaTrader running on my screen. NinjaTrader, Quant Tower, Trade Evade. Like, I just don't want to keep running more stuff. I got volume. I got a lot of these browser applications running, and then on top of that, I got NinjaTrader. I got my Bullnox funded account. Smash for 155 today. What up, Keith? Did I catch the dump? I caught some of it. I caught some of it. I knew it was, the problem was I knew it was going to dump, and I got shaken out twice. And if I didn't get shaken out, I would have been up a lot. Overnight had great price action. Yeah, move some. Overnight's good. It's just nothing compares to during the day. During the day, it's just crazy. Oh, is this it? Come on. Let's go. Give me a green candle. Take me out. Come on, give me like 50 bucks, 60 bucks. No. Come on. Where is the actual pivot point? Pivot point is at 206.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Monica! Come on. Come on. Bounce it back up to 17. Oh, this market's so fucking weak right now. So weak. Monica Lewinsky under the desk. I think, dude, you think we sweep all-time highs? Dude, I don't know about that. That's wild. All-time highs, Keith. Jeez.
Order filled.
All right. I'm getting out of this fucking thing with $22 loss. I actually made 65 bucks in my Rhythmic account. I don't trust this shit. Not my Rhythmic account, Bullnox funded account. Honestly, to me, it looked weak. It got under the, it just looks weak. Looks super weak. Trust you? Need more prunes? Stat? Dude, what are you in? Are you buying up here, Keith? Like, I don't understand where you bought at. Like up here? This looks like it's just gonna freaking roll. This looks like it's gonna just roll down. This is the push. Keep it tight, but I think if we start going, this is gonna. $255. Boom. Boom. A lot more where that came from. That's why I didn't hold that shit before. This looks, I mean, we're oversold, but this looks like it is, looks short all day. Did I just not hit the button when I was up $200 real quick? Come on. Flush it. I was just up 200. I went to hit the button and, oh, I'm going to get freaking hosed. Shorting here is crazy talk. I think we're going to continue to sell off today. Probably get a pop back up a little bit. Curling up. We're getting back over the pivot point. What sucks is I was up 200 just before on that scalp and couldn't freaking hit the button. It's the worst. We should get at least to 12, at least to the 21 on the 5. Kind of where I'm. What up, sleeper? Well, we'll see. It just feels heavy. Feels heavy. Man, Tesla is at 347. Mount Asian masseuse. Oh, dude, that's freaking hysterical. We cannot get above the overnight low. Not saying we can't go up, but I think we need another trip lower first. So I'm usually wrong. I don't know. This just looks bear flaggy. I mean, we popped. We're hanging out here, and I feel like we're going to. I just set up AMP futures. I just requested a rhythmic feed from them. We'll see what happens. Value is lower than Friday. Point of control is lower. A lot of resistance volume 230-ish. I just feel like we're going to go lower. I could be completely wrong. Just kind of feels like it. Sleeper, how much is the fee on what? AMP? AMP is $3 to set up a rhythmic account. $3, and then I just wait until I think they're gonna message me, and when I'm live, I'll start trading live money. Man, I'm so glad we smashed. Looks like Hims took one of their own pills today. Yeah, AMP is $3. And then I don't even need to trade off of it because honestly, I trade off of this. So all it is just a place to take my orders. How did I do on options today? Bro, I took one of those. I got one of those Hims pills right now. If I don't come down in another 3 hours, I'm going to have to go to the hospital, if you know what I mean. Ching. Yo, I told everybody on Friday I was loading up on Hims. Should have, yeah. That's real money. That's not propfirm money. That's daddy hit the button out money. And I sold the majority of my stuff. This is all I have left. I just feel like we're coming to a short-term top. So I went in. I had 200 shares. I sold May 20 puts, 8 of them. I bought 24 calls for May, 8 of them, and I sold 38 calls, 8 of them. And once we were up, we were at like 2750 today. I was like, I'm out of all this shit. Like, we're up like 17%. Like, that's awesome. I think the market's going to pull back and I'll probably take Hims with it. I think I get a lower entry at another point in time. You know, that's how I felt about that. So yeah, I did a vertical spread, 8 contracts each, sold puts, 8 contracts, and then had 200 shares. So I think, you know, I definitely said I was loading up, and if we went lower, I was gonna load up even further. But we just never got there. So that's all. I really wanted to end up with like 800 shares to 1,000 shares, and then some long-term options where I sold some puts and even did some vertical spreads. I just didn't load up. I think we see 1 up 20 before going up, but I'm not betting my own cash on that one. Just an idiot making a prediction here. Should probably take, as in fade the Topstep. I love fading Topstep. I don't know. I don't have their thing up, so I don't know I don't know what I don't know what they're doing. I just know I would fade them if you guys know if they're in or not. Yo, what up, Sean? The coaches are always right. Coach Sean, flat. They are up 6K today in the house account. Might be a record. Yeah, I didn't watch. I mean, I don't really pay attention to whatever they're doing. I kind of stick to my own shit. You know, I got enough stuff going on. I would love to push this for a payout today. Need $285 to get over the threshold. Yeah, it's true. Time to build my account back better. Oh man, that's awesome. That's awesome. Make my account great again. What up, Desmond? Yo, Corey, man, what up? What up? What up? You know what I wanted to look at? What is it? TNDX. The hell is this doing today? Ah, it's up 5%. Jeez. I just think the whole market's going to tank soon. Yo, up 266 in this eval you gave me so far. That's awesome. Dude, I hope you take it to get payouts. Dude, as Jay would say, bro, I got him saying that, by the way. You know why I got him saying that? Bro, we were on the phone. We were on the phone a bit ago, and
we did it, Joe.
I was playing him my fucking sound bites I play in the room, and I got him to start saying it now.
We did it, Joe.
Yo, every time I play it a bunch, but also Joseph comes in the room, and anytime he does well, I always play it for him. We did it, Joe.
Do not come. Do not come.
I'm gonna come.
I got all the Harris sound bites, the Trump sound bites. It's funny now, off of the stream, I start freaking using the freaking sound bites in conversations I have. Bro, he's so happy probably. Dude, they just kicked him out. They just booted him. Booted him. I was reading about it, how they wanted to discuss they wanted to discuss who they were going to push forward, and he just went ahead and was like, F all you guys, here's Kamala. And that's why Obama didn't get behind her for a couple of days, because they were trying to figure out what to do, because he put her out there and he wasn't supposed to. Bro, sure. Do you have suckers and losers from the debate? I don't know what that is, to be honest with you. I got like all these freaking soundboard clips. Dude, he was the best.
$700 billion and $1.3 trillion.
Oh shit. That gets me every time. I freaking love that. We beat Medicare. Let me see if I have that. Let me see. No. What up, Trader fan? Oh, here we go.
We finally beat Medicare.
Dude.
Just a yes or no, you still do not have a plan.
I have concepts of a plan.
I'm not saying others don't, but we should debate our plans.
Dude, they're just nonstop. Are we gonna finally drop here? Damn, I didn't realize how close we were to the pivot point. Jeez, I don't like this that much. I didn't realize how close we were. We're right on the 34. That was awful. Oh, why did I do that? I'm trying to process what I want to do here. I would take a small L here. I would take a small L here. It might still drop. It's just it's dropping. I would have been right, but I don't like it anyways. I felt like there wasn't much on not enough meat on the bone. Bounce it right off of there. Look at that. That's what I was kind of worried about. Could have just grabbed 7, 8 points real quick off that. It was a nice scalp. A real nice scalp. Hey, do you have to buy data for Take Profit Trader? No, not at all, man. Not at all. Take Profit Trader provides you all the data that you need. The pivot is strong support. Yeah, I only play first touch. So if it comes down, touches it again, I'm not really that into it. So the real error queue, No, once you buy a Take Profit Trader account, I have it right here. You get the data for free. Just when you purchase, two things when you purchase. One, make sure you select it's asking you to buy data on Tradovate. That is wrong. Did you sign in under the Take Profit Trader login? Did you sign in under the login that they give you, or did you just sign in under a login that you created? Yeah. Here we go. If you want, I'm trying to think. So you copied and pasted it in. Put the screenshot. So go over here and put this. Yo, by the way, thanks for subscribing to the channel, my man. Put the screenshot in the Discord and let me see what they're asking you to pay for. It's hard to help you on the YouTube chat because it's you can't paste anything in here. You can only see my screen. But like when I log in, they don't ask me to do anything. So just show me the screen that they're asking you to pay. Don't put any of your personal information on. But yeah, I will walk you through. No, it works instantaneously. You should have no problem. Yeah, as soon as you buy the account, it gets set up right away. Oh, it's working now. Okay, I just saw that. All right. Nice, man. Okay, cool. You're all set. I thought maybe you bought the wrong account, but yeah. Very nice. Man, are they flagging? I tried like 2 or 3 days in a row. I try again now. It's weird. Yeah, it should have worked right away, to be honest with you. That's weird that it took that long. I am just looking what my consensus. Dude, I feel like this is gonna go lower. I mean, this is all junk to trade in. I don't know. He got it to work, Ghost. He got it to work. I guess somehow it works now. He's using Tradovate. I know if you use like some of the other ones, you got to sign into Rhythmic Trader Pro because you got to sign the document and then you basically get it live. Boom, 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 boom. Man, this AMP thing's taking forever to set up. Hello, Co. Found your channel through the FTT fiasco. Are you still giving away accounts? Ella, I've been trying to get a refund from my app. Yeah, well, we usually do stuff in the afternoon. We definitely do it on Monday. We definitely do it on Friday, and we'll probably do a couple extra during the week. But yeah, I stream every day, 10:30 till about noon, and then I'll be back at 2 o'clock. The 2 o'clock to 4:30 is usually when we do stuff like that. But yeah, welcome to the channel, man. Welcome, welcome. But yeah, I'm not getting my. I requested a refund for my accounts. I'm not getting crap. Probably. I feel like I'm not getting anything from them. I don't. I heard some audio. I heard even more stuff. Oh no, they just shorted. Wait. Yeah, I'm just. I didn't really trade with them a lot. Like I bought accounts, but I never was like, I don't even think I rarely traded them on the stream, to be honest with you. I always traded them off stream. Most of the time I trade on the stream, I'm on Apex, Take Profit Trader, or My Funded Futures for the most part. Are you trying to say you got the rug pulled? I most definitely, they owe me money and I will not get it. Yo, CT, what's MBT? I forget. I in the Discord. There's a couple things, and then I posted somebody's Twitter, and this guy's Twitter had a ton of stuff on it, like chat logs, video, audio. I don't know where they got it from, but geez, it's pretty bad. It's funny, like one of the audio says that he has no money, but like another audio, he says he's setting up a hedge fund. How are you setting up a hedge fund if you have no money? It made no sense. I will not rug pull your money again. Yeah, luckily, well, I didn't get the 1 day ban because I didn't find out about. I was out during the weekend, but I still got the freaking thing. Let me see if I can find it. It's amazing. I have so many text messages with this stuff. It's like people just texting me everything. It's just freaking insane.
I don't know, but here's what I can commit to you. I will never rug pull your payments again. We will never put
I will never rug pull your payments again. So stupid. Honestly, after he did that, where he rug pulled everybody's payments, I was completely done with them. I still had the accounts, but I assumed that, yeah, rug pulling a tug job. Oh, it's Bitcoin futures. They're shorting Bitcoin futures. That's interesting. Yeah. You know what's crazy is I actually have Bitcoin. I'm probably going to sell out. I just feel like it's going to pull back. Damn, it's just up so much. Oh, MBTX. Yeah, MBTX. Yeah. Dude, I mean, Bitcoin's up a crazy amount. Bitcoin, ETH's up some. It's all up. I wonder if there's just going to be people taking a ton of profit here. I mean, damn, this is just getting choppy. What's interesting is we're chopping right above the pivot point. I wonder if we hold the pivot point, get real tight, and then it goes back up. That would actually be a really nice move. We get tight right here. What would be my stop would be under 200. Under 200 would be my stop. If this comes back down, I'll probably just grab a little bit. I feel like it would be a decent risk reward. If I can get in at like 208, I risk like 10 points to the downside, but I think on the upside, you can get like 30, 40 points. Risk reward is there for me. Dude, Tesla's at 354. Oh, baby. That's wild. That's so wild. There's a couple companies that I was looking at over the weekend that are just up. I mean, I was looking at Path. I was looking at a lot of things. Are we not going to get this? Is this going to break out right here? This looks like it's freaking breaking out. Come on, give me a third leg up. I need a big third leg right here. Come on. It might come back down and retest right here. 21. 21 would not be, if it retests 21, that would actually be a pretty good. Probably the upside somewhere around 35, 30, 39. Just made back a bunch of 40, 50 bucks. Come on. I'll take that. Start working some of these accounts back up. You can just see how tight it got. My only issue is, here's my only issue. Oh, here we go. Kind of right there. Kind of right at the breakout point. Right above the breakout point, you got the 200 and you got VWAP. So there's not a ton of room to the upside, but you just saw the momentum off the 34. And then if I want, I would love to get back in, like I said, like 210-ish. Kid Poker, there's no well, I mean, there's definitely some profit taking. I think Meta's down a little bit. Meta is down. Let me see. I'll tell you right now. Tesla's way up. I can't believe there's no profit taking there. Apple's down almost 2%. When's the last time you saw Apple down almost 2% and the market is basically flat? That's wild. If I told you Apple was down almost 2%, Meta is down 1.5%, Amazon's down 0.5%. Microsoft is down 1.25%. But yet NQ is even on the day. You would be like, no way. No way. NVIDIA is down over 1%. I don't even know what's holding the market up. Let's see. NASDAQ heat map today. Let's see what it says. What is up today? Oh, here you go. If I told you NVIDIA, Apple, Microsoft were all down over 1%, and I said, where do you think the market is at? You'd be like, oh, the market's down 1 or 2% today. Tesla is holding it up at 11%. Google is up. Netflix is up. Tesla and Google are holding it up. That's crazy. I mean, it's wild that the NQ is holding. That's kind of why I think we're going to break. Yeah, Tesla, that's 11%. That's a big gain. And that's holding a lot of it up. If Tesla was even on the day, we'd probably be down a ton. So honestly, I kind of want to bring up a chart of Tesla, and when it starts looking bad, when Tesla starts looking bad on the intraday, like on the 1 or 5, I mean, geez, look at this. Look at this freaking Tesla chart. This thing was at 250 before earnings. What is that? 2 weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, we were at 200, and now we're at 350. We're up 100 points in 5 days. It can't sustain this. Yeah, that's crazy. That's interesting, though. That I can't see them sustaining. Like, there's got to be profit taking here. Like, we can't just keep doing this. So I'm going to watch this. This is going to be a hold for the probably the day. Either I get stopped out. My target on this is probably shooting for like low a day. So I use this just so you guys, on the higher time frame, we came back into this zone, and once we left the zone, I decided to short it. I am nervous that we're at 21,200, which should be support. I was thinking about, I think overall we're going to get down here, but I feel like I could have sold here and then rebought higher or reshorted higher. That's what I was going to do, but I was showing you guys, and I lost money because I was showing, but whatever. That's where I was thinking about taking it. Yo, Josh. What up, player? Josh, you get in on hymns, brother? You buy any hymns on Friday? I can't believe I didn't take the fucking money. I was up. Had it. Looks so bad, though. Dude. Josh. Smash, brother. Smashed it. I know we were talking about it on Friday. That's why I'm bringing it up. Yeah. Dude, I was hot on hymns. I was hot on hymns on Friday. Hymns was on my freaking list. I'm taking this. I think they're going to bounce it back up, and then I'm going to reshort it. If they do take it below 98, I'll grab it, but I don't know if they will. But if they bring it back up to like to 18, 19, something like that, I'll probably reshort it. Yeah, man, I'll be honest with you. I sold it all out. We were at 27 and a half, and I was out. Hey, Cove, I'm the one that messaged you on Discord. Ooh, let me see. If you ever message me on Discord, you got to let me know, because I get so many are you Wealth on Sun, Opium? Is that you, Wealth on Sun? I'm getting back in. I'm going to go right here, and if they bring it over, I'll re-get in. Oh, okay. Dude, I'll be honest with you. So the majority of the stuff I do is I sell cash secured puts for the most part, which means I have the money to buy the stock and I collect premium. So like in the hymns way, like if I sold 100 shares, you know, you'd have what is that, $2,000, $2,500 in the account, and then you'd collect the premium. I suggest everybody. Let me just see. Damn, this was at 28.50 now. That's crazy. So that's what I do. So I would have sold, like, you basically sell a put, but you're okay with owning the shares. And you have to have the cash to cover what you're doing. So that is how I make the majority of my, I'm not going to call it passive income, but, you know, weekly hits. And then every once in a while, I take a shot by just buying calls or buying a vertical spread. And when I take the larger shots, you can lose a lot of money. But like, I just took a larger shot at hymns, and it obviously worked out because I held the shit over the weekend and, you know, made 2 G's on it. You know, I don't know. I would say I would paper. I know it sounds crazy, but like I would paper trade, where you kind of write down or find an account that has paper trade in there and kind of trade that way, because you definitely do not want to lose money, and you can definitely lose money quickly in options. That would be my personal advice. That's my personal advice, and I would start off only selling puts that you have the cash to cover the stock with. Do not buy calls or buy puts. When you buy premium, the odds are against you. So I would start off selling premium, only puts, not calls, and start collecting and get your feet wet that way. And that's probably how I would say for people to get into options. I'm lowering my stop. This is either going to go or we're going to pop. It has to get below 200 here. If it's not going to get below 200, this thing's going to pop. I'm going to do I'm going to do a thing this weekend, Opium, that I'm going to do live on my other YouTube account. And you can join in, ask. I can show you a ton of things if you want, like whatever you guys have questions on. That's what I was going to do this weekend coming up, was on Saturday morning do like an options walkthrough, how I walk through what I'm looking at and stuff like that. And there's the channel if anybody wants to subscribe. Are they going to freaking just unload this thing? Bring my stop down. Ugh. Whatever. Whatever. Watch it freaking go. Yep, I got back in because I'm a freaking degenerate. Come on. Man, they are holding this thing. They are holding the line. They are holding the line. Jeez. Push it. Push it, push it. Nah, they're gonna push this back up. No. They can't get below 200. It's like, just can't do it. Buying is just too strong. The buying is strong with this. Yep. Pushed it right the frig back up. Now, I'll be honest with you, now it's getting real sloppy. Real freaking sloppy. It's getting tight. I guess it's definitely getting tight because here you go. I mean, you can see this right here. And we're just working in this little zone. I'm just going to wait till we break out, I guess. Break out below, break out above. The upside is probably going to get some pressure now.
Order filled.
Try to scalp it real quick. probably pop it to like 13 or something. There we
Order
go.
filled.
That was a quick scout. Got these funded accounts. Good start to the day. 120, 155. See, it's just dangerous. It's super tight. I think we're going to, honestly, I think we're going to chop for another hour or so. What is this? Bring it to like, no, that's not an hour. Maybe like 20 minutes. 20 minutes, chop around. Eventually we're going to have to pick a direction here. I would say, watch this. Here you go. If I have any evals that are just, oh, this one's got $500 left. Watch this. So if I get in here at 20, so that's 400. This is all in. I'm not touching this account. See what happens. I'm just going to let it ride. Let that move around a little bit. Man, we just freaking held. That's so crazy. I definitely see us going back and retesting 155. It's kind of my thought. Let's see what the ES is doing. ES is I actually love this script on the Qs. I need to bring it up on the Qs, to be honest with you, right here. It's none of these. It's I had to redo some of my stuff. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, what up, Cards fan? What up, what up? Just walking through some trades right now. Just walking through some trades. I'm fucking holding this. Selling pressure just seems too great. They keep defending down here, but I think once it breaks, they're just going to unload. I'll take 77. So what would that be? Boom, bum, 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 bum. Oh, yeah. I'm telling you, once Tesla starts turning around, guys, Tesla's starting to lose steam. Tesla's coming right to the 200 in about $2. Oh, come on. Give me a little bit more. Dump it for daddy. Dump it, baby. Oh. Do it for the stream. For the stream. Oh, man. Come on. They're just fucking buying it back up. Well, anybody that caught it that's up.
Thank you for your vote of confidence.
They're not getting me out of this position, though. This, I will stay in until the account's done.
I'm not fucking leaving.
That account is all in. My bias is to the downside. I'm willing to risk the rest of the account. Why does the cat lives in Vegas sound 10 times more New York than someone that lives in New York? I don't know. I don't know. I hear myself talk, though. It sounds like someone from New York. That's a good question, Cards fan. Yeah, I'll put that on the stream. If we do, thank you for your service. I don't know, actually. It's a great question. Yeah, happy Vets Day, man. I do not know, though. I'm trying to think if anyone's ever said anything on the stream. There's also a lot more people in the afternoon stream, so I'm sure somebody in the afternoon stream is a vet. Yeah. Ah, yeah. Air Force. That's crazy. Did you fly? I'm just curious. Did you fly? I watch Sean Ryan's podcast, and he had some guy on recently that was a one of those A-10 pilots, and he was on there talking. But yeah, I did not know that they had accounting. I guess that makes sense, though, that they have a little bit of everything because it's a business, I guess, you know. Man, I am starving right now. This thing looks freaking so weak. I just hate this pattern that I wouldn't play this with a real money account. I do think it drops out, but I hate the grind. Like the grind down is not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for moves like this. Once we start grinding, I know that that's not how I like to play. And that's how I'll get yo-yoed. I'll start doing stupid shit and get yo-yoed. So I'll grab a eval that's not doing great, pick my bias and just let it run. My bias is to the downside. Whoo, baby. Tesla's dropping. Tesla dropped $10 in 10 minutes. It's like a meme coin at this point. Tesla gets under 40, 45, the market's probably going to dump. Probably going to dump.
Come on.
Oh, drop it. Bring it down. Oh, yeah. Come on. Nice 34 rejection. I like this. I like it a lot. See, when you look at it on the 15, I mean, it's right, trades right in that zone. And just when it comes out to the downside, it's just money. Came out of the zone at 21. So we're already 20 points in the green, but you need to get below 200. Get like a washout. Oh man, this is chop sit. Hey, not getting me out of my position. I am holding to the end. PA. Come on, let's see what we got going on here. This is better on the 5-minute, actually. So their zone is at 5:15. Probably not going to get that. Yo, what up, Donovan McNabb? What up? What up? Dude, I'm just in this chop, waiting for the market to just throw up on itself. Tesla's holding it up. Tesla's definitely holding this market up. Boom, boom. Look at that. Like, what's to play right here? It's, oh man, when this thing drops out, I mean, if you're like a true scalper, I mean, you could just keep buying at like 96, 97, and like you could just keep rotating contracts in and out. Comes down here, comes back up to like 205, 208, and then right back down and just keeps going. Tesla may get kicked out of the club. A lot of the times when stocks hit like those milestones, they reject really freaking hard. It's almost like it has a magnet to hit it, and then after it hits it, it rejects really hard. I remember Apple doing it when it started hitting the certain milestones. It's almost like they push it to hit it, and then they just kind of unload it. You know, build up the frenzy, and then they just unload. I mean, Tesla bounced off the 200 moving average, but on the intraday, but the if it sells through, you're just going to get a dump in the market. Under like 345, it's going to unload. It's just up so much. I just. PLTR is at $61. Who is buying that at 61 bucks without a pullback? Like, I just feel like when they let this go, it's going to be fast. I don't know if they're going to let it go again, but if it bounces back up to 205, I'm willing to play. I'll play the zone, I guess. And if it doesn't bounce up, I'll stack money in this eval. Damn, shop is at 92. Oh, baby. Shop, I remember shop was just at like 60. Elon with his Doge will clear out some nonsense in DC. Can't wait to see it. Dogecoin! Yeah, this is just. Let's see if they hit me. Department of Government Efficiency. Dude, if they bring him in, I mean, like, if they bring him in the government at some role, he can really make things work a lot better and save the government a lot of money. He would save the government money. He would get rid of people. There's a lot of jobs in the government that probably do not need to be jobs. Yeah, he cut 80% of Twitter because you know why? Because if you ever go in these big companies, they got a bunch of people sitting around doing nothing, just collecting paychecks. And he just gets rid of them. Just gets rid of them. Oh, a little scalp action right there. Quick 30. I bet he has a plan. Oh, I wish I held. Jeez. Yeah, I mean, I bet you he can cut out easily like 25% of the employees that are running the thing. That's where they filled me? Are you shitting me? I hit the button. We were down at 95 and you filled me at 98. Yeah. Oh, and there's tons of people that are doing stuff that they don't even, it's crazy. We're all like, all these people are working and you don't need a lot of them. There's a lot of waste in the government. I even see it on the lowest level, like just people working, you know, these service contracts where you see one guy doing the work and 4 guys watching them. I have friends that work for the government, like the town and stuff. Man, like they're just, they literally talk about how they don't do anything all day, how they work for like an hour or two. It's crazy. I'm sure it happens at all the levels. Tesla dropped. Tesla dropped, but now you're getting like Meta bouncing. Damn, that's a lot of freaking call flow into Meta. I'm just going to take my position off though. I scalped a Meta 600 call just before. Yeah, union jobs, everything, man. Town workers, union jobs. It's all over the place. See, Tesla's dropping, but Meta bounced a couple bucks. I think you're starting to get some of the bigger caps that were down, maybe bouncing a little bit. Oh man. Yeah. Let me see. As long as we stay below here, I'm fine with this short, but we get above, I think it's over. We get back above 210, 211. I think it's kind of, they're going to bounce it. There's some other stocks that are bouncing. Meta is bouncing. Let's see if Apple's bouncing. Apple is not bouncing. They're shorting again on they're shorting again. Ooh, that does not look like a. Who's shorting that? I don't know, man. Maybe. I guess if you shorted it here, my stop would literally be 85, 297. You know, you break this high. I feel like you break that high, it's a long. What's up, Michael? Oh, my thing's all scrolled up. Oh, I just looked, dude. You know what happened was I scrolled up. The thing just scrolled up. I was reading old messages. I was like, I think I just answered that before. All right, guys, I gotta eat something. I'll be back in 2 hours. I'll be back at 2 o'clock. We'll definitely do a fast track trading giveaway. Try to help out anybody that's lost accounts. You know, we'll try to do that. And happy Veterans Day to anybody who's a vet. And yeah, I'll be back. I got to eat something. That's why I got to eat. And I'll be back at 2 o'clock. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Hit the little bell button down wherever to get notified. Yo, what up, A+? Yeah, hit the bell button. There's discounts for all the prop firms down here somewhere. I don't even know. Down in the description of the video. Yeah. Gosh, that was crazy because I was reading an old, man, Bitcoin is just going for it. This is just trending down. This is not what I want to trade though. Like, even though I did trade and made some money, I usually get smoked in patterns like this. I'm hoping I go eat something, I come back, and we kind of start to break out. Kind of break out. No, I should have done. You got to remind me earlier, man. If you reminded me earlier, I got to set that up and everything. But I got to eat. Like, I haven't eaten anything today. I am freaking starving. We're going to do some extra account giveaways this week. Like I said, for anybody that lost money with Fast Track, kind of help them out. I know a bunch of people lost money with them in the chat. So try to do the right thing. All right. That's pretty much it. I'll be back in 2 hours. All right. Go get something good to eat. All right. Peace.